Hi, I'm Debbie Devine, and I am proud to be the director of drama here at Colburn, and I'm here with...
I am Bradley Bruff, and I am a composer, and I work with the drama courses here at Colburn.
Theater is about your imagination. That's the core of theater. That's the essence of theater, because it's that sacred connection between a live audience and live actors. And that's everybody using their imagination. And that's the magic of it. The program here is working on finding that magic. And it's from creative dramatics, from 5 to 7-year-olds, all the way through to 14, 15-year-olds. The focus of it is improvisational ensemble theater. We do that every Saturday morning. We do it with wonderful live music from a composer, not just a wonderful pianist, but a composer, and counselors who have been through the program from when they were in creative dramatics and want to give back.
My name is Ruben. I am a counselor for Summer Encounter at Colburn. I am an assistant teacher in drama class for dramas 1, 2, and creative dramatics. And I am acting outside of Colburn too, in school plays and professional plays. What got me into drama was the appeal of expression and being able to be so free in a class. The enthusiasm that we get from every single class is absolutely amazing. You see the development that they come through, and like first day of drama, everyone's so nervous. A couple weeks roll by and everyone gets comfortable. It's great, the feeling that they bring to the class.
A big part of what we're about is social emotional learning. It really is adapting, listening, and speaking, and the skills that you learn from drama into the real world. So it's an incredibly wonderful adventure where we create an ensemble together and that connection that we make. Now, every year we chose a theme. Which theme did we have this year?
This year the theme was nature.
It was nature, and we leaned into the idea of trees, because trees are a community. They take care of each other, they nurture each other. And that's what we do in our group, in our classes, and we do that. We take that theme of connection and watching out to the community at large. I teach drama around the county, and I don't get to do it with a musician in the room. We're so lucky. Having a live musician scoring what we're doing makes everything different. It elevates the work we do.
I feel like the musical contribution really helps bring out their emotions in the scene. When we're doing scenes about being sad or scenes about being happy, the music can help inform them, and it makes it easier for them to express themselves.
That's right. Also, it just creates that joy that we can have in the room that music will bring everywhere. And do you enjoy it?
I do enjoy it.
No matter what, I'll always be good, and that if I make a mistake, I can always start over and use improv if it's on like an actual show.
I treasured the parts where we have fun and laugh all together. Every week I look forward to seeing my friends and being able to work on our play production. It's very fun, and like the teachers are very supportive to all of us, and it just makes you feel like you're in a safe space to talk about what you want to talk about. It feels really fun to be original and not copy other shows. It's fun to work together and be able to make a whole entire scene. It's like a musical theater. I love musical theater, and working with other people makes everything so good and touching.
You can like say whatever you want and people go along with it, and people can say something that's like actually like really funny and you can go along with it.
To make people laugh and act in the show. They support us and make us laugh.
And they encourage us to do our dreams.
I love Miss Debbie. I think she's a super, super cool person. I've been working with her since I was a really, really little kid, and I've been here for so long.
I appreciate Miss Debbie a lot. She's one of the greatest persons in all of the universe.
Miss Debbie, she was a very fun and kind and very beginner-friendly teacher to work with.
I aspire to be just like her when I'm older.
I wouldn't come back here if Miss Debbie wasn't here.
I feel really grateful so we can listen to the music and follow the feeling of it.
The music, it makes everything like more fun to have like some background action happening.
So drama, it's 32 weeks. The first semester, we do our foundation work. We really do all of that activity that leads to the devised or the original work in progress that we do at the end of the year. It's a finale. And this year, a finale is all about nature. Them creating it, them collaborating, them discovering their voices. And it's a pleasure to be in the room with them.